So as you can see here, I am running at PCIe 16 Gen 3, and hopefully with this upgrade, I'll be running at Gen 4. This GPU bracket I got from EZDIY-FAb, and some of the selling points were you're able to angle the graphics card, and it comes with a cool RGB light at the bottom, so we'll see how that goes. This is the riser cable here. Looks pretty premium. Package is good. Comes with an instruction manual. Pretty basic stuff. That's the magnetic base. There's some screws. Yeah, pretty basic stuff here in this package. And then as I open up this package further, you'll see the actual bracket itself comes in 4 pieces. One, the main bracking support, which is there, and then the legs I showed earlier with the magnetic base, and of course it comes with an RGB cable ready to plug into your motherboard. As you see here, it's a pretty supported bracket system, and in this shot here, installed the feet, the magnetic feet here, where to get it angled. Here's a better shot of how I screwed those screws in, and then here I am ripping out my MSI 3090 Supreme X from its home.
And I have not housed anything else in the other PCIe lanes. So it is a little empty towards that bottom. Might add a little bit of RGB if I don't plan on keeping this this bracket system. And here's the system installed. Looks pretty cool. Couldn't get too much of an aggressive angle because of the radiator tubing, but nonetheless, it looks cool. I do recommend for anybody with a 40 series and above to get this besides the gaping hole in the back. And for anybody with anything lower than that, you'll probably run into some compatibility issues. I wasn't able to get mine to run in Gen 4, so keep that in mind.